Top news headlines. All party delegation leaves for Delhi. Separatists declare independence from India. Alert demonstrations continue as Indo-Naga peace deal likely tomorrow. Hello and good evening. This is Maria Pangamam giving you the news in details. A 20-member delegation of all political parties left Imphal for New Delhi this afternoon to consult the central leadership on the ongoing Indo-Naga peace process and its developments. Yesterday, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren convened a meeting of all political parties in his chamber to discuss the upcoming finalization of Naga peace talks and possible negative impact on the state of Manipur due to the expected final pact. President of Shiv Sena State Unit, M. Tombi, said that the Government of India has assured to consult delegations from Manipur before signing the Naga peace deal. The centre has already indicated that the Indo-Naga peace process might conclude on October 31. The all-party delegation will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi, who is also the interlocutor for Naga talks in the national capital.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯈꯥꯡ ꯀꯌꯥꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯨꯝꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯗ ꯇꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯆꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ Manipur People's Party aduga leiriba khoi Congress ki leiriba aduga leiriba mayam singsi akhoi si color gi khenaba leitaba Rajniti khenaba leitaba akhoi si Manipur da leiba Manipuri ama oina akhoi punna ngasi si akhoi Delhi da satana yaraga di Manipur da leiriba CSO singsu punna lakpiyo akhoi punna masigi issue se akhoi thengnamina si Home Minister Amit Shah ji na अखोई मियाम की CSO की political party मियाम की हाइनिंग महाइन अभी तंजामा green signal पिरक पर से असी तंजाला और अखोई मियाम सुसबनी.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister N. Biren also left Imphal for New Delhi today.
And then with the appeal to, with the hope to meet the Prime Minister of India along with the Home Minister, demanding the government of India in order to pursue so that the issue can be delayed, or they want to put up a petition saying that the solution that comes up should not be, against the people, the sentiments of the people. With camera person Nares, this is Blessing Yangmai for TOMTV News, Imphal International Airport.
An FIR case has been filed against Naringmam Samarjit Singh, chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Yambem Biren, and others at Lumfield Police Station. According to the media reports, the FIR has been registered against them in connection with a statement that has gone viral in the social media regarding formation of an exile government in London. The report also mentioned that the case has been handed over to crime branch under the directive of Manipur government, and further it will be handed over to National Investigation Agency NIA for proper investigation. Earlier, self-styled Chief Minister of Manipur State Council Yambem Biren and self-styled Minister of External Affairs and Defense of Manipur State Council Naringmam Samarjit announced before the media that they were speaking on behalf of the Maharaja of Manipur, Lesemba Sanajauba, to formally declare the exile government, the Manipur State Council. The exile government will be based in central London, they said. They said that the sovereign state of Manipur was excluded from Indian Empire by the order in council by His Majesty on 27 December 1946, and the Indian government annexed Manipur by violation of the 1949 Act. At a press meet at the CM Bungalow today, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren stated that declaring independence from India is totally unconstitutional. Biren said that every activities related to the matter will be thoroughly investigated and action will be taken against everyone involved in it.
Thajadaba mong mana adagi nganga iba ekoi samna harakanda masi ekoi kanogi IPC 121, 121A, 121B means mainly waging war against the state. Adu yamna ekoi da yam serious oina loba haibadar. Adu na masigi magi mathakta ekoi adu gumba mana senar kiba wahe ekoi Manipur tongan na tare leire ekoi ne adu tore astem lore da tore toro kibadu madu magi mathakta Zikari section zingzi makhada FIR ma Impal West da koi register tore FIR number 223/10/2019 mana atopa country ma le raga mu operator panina masiki case koi hujik khudaki oina akoi crime branch the special crime branch state ki da shinare aduga maga mari leinaba hujiki emergency ga mari leinaba mana tawramba activities kari no haibu mai koi within weeks the special crime branch na madu identified find out torkanda any involvement leiramba mari leinaramba maga adum posting to ain gi matungina sarkar na kari toksiga ba phireptuma madu gi finding torkanda koi lok torkani Marak sida ikoi hai riba kesi mapandagi operator kuna mari laina na mari oibani na koi sigi kesi koi NIA da ojiki crime branch ki investigation details में हमसे लोएरो मतुंगा koi NIA da handover tongna na ba akoi ki home department gi oiba proposal koi leire if required will take the permission from the cabinet. Adu torokanda masi koi kitang seriously dil tongna na ba ina sigi message si Manipur gi public ta adu ga miyam na pinning badagi kasi khudaki oina press me se kopjebani.
Meanwhile, in connection to the controversial statement made by Salai Holdings Private Limited Chairman Narengbam Samarjit over declaration of the Manipur exile government in London that has gone viral in the social media, a praise meet was held today at the premises of Salai Holdings Private Limited located at Terra, Imphal. One of the vice chairmen of the group, Elangbam Rosendro, disowned the statement of Narengbam Samarjit, declaring that now he is no more related with the Salai Group. Other vice chairmen of the company were also present at the press meet.
We will give you all the answers from all the sections of the society, all the sections of the Mari Lainaba, whoever it may be, Ekoi Lainaba, Kudimaka, Madu answers of Chana Pizagani. Tawata Hausiki Yam emotional over moment Amaka, Ekoi the Lejeri, Masima Ekoida Angapa Amani, suddenly Ekoi surprisingly Ekoi the Piba Masikumba, Mesesamo Obenina, Ekoi Matang, see the Dikaman Karigumunta, Ekoi Pijanindri. Adu Tawatoron Kudimaki, Ekoi Makasa Tazaki and Tamzarisini.
Hairiba, Nasai Hairiba, Mu Shidang, Equida all of sudden, Equida Nasai, Yam Tazadana, Equida Karigomama, Equida Sokama, Equida Pirabanina, Equida Hairiba Misi, Equidi Salagi, Nasai, Kanusidagi, Equida Masima, Equidi, Lotuk Saraga, Equidi Tasengna, Mayangi, Sesta Equidi, Tongan Bakui subsidiary, Lady Sing Sigi, Equidi, MD Sing Tongan, Hakadra, Sir Kanota Tawada, Havi Porsi, Equi, Matangi Matung in a Quake, Kanoto Jarakani, Equidi Lady Ba, Nasai, financial parameters, you did, Equi Minister of Affairs Makada Labanina, Adugi Porse parameter Mayam City, GST Kangi among the Loina Tok the Yadavanina, Madu Equi ready or a Loina Lazaba Port Natani, later Yadava, Aduna, CD, Equina Matam Lakanda, Equi Madugi, Kanodagi, Equi Kanotok Jagan.
London dasu business setup tawagi policy makada adumaina khoi ada thambiramaga international counterpart singa toroga hangbagi kainom da sakibani aduda thoglei serol siga akhoi da khangiba idea siga pura tayona bu oiba oibinina akhoina masidi public mayamgi kainosu interest soktanaba khudakta chairmanship tagi mase akoin lakthoga anouba resolution taraga koigi board ki resolution lawraga who will be the chairman natrag managing director kanana oigani habse koi restriction tarokani ngarang dagi thauko viral sena ngasi se koi khudakta si sem da kaino si thamdaba yadabnina public ta koi masi koi message pijaban.
Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad, in collaboration with Kakami today, organized a demonstration for peace in Manipur at the Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. Talking to media on the sidelines of the protest, President of Masad Anas Khan said that the demonstration for peace was held against the center for attempting to distort the unity among different communities in Manipur and its territorial integrity through the Naga Framework Agreement.
Manipur da tangdu laitana fundamental ba kurukuntra hen bana fundamental ba sibu tugaina ba nungsina dana ba siliba policy program kaya amaru masigi koi asigi mayok tani ngasi bahan lenga ka Naga National Political Group and NSNIM ba satriba istok asi the different stakeholders singbo Canada and like nungsina leminariba community asibu tugaina ba khona kasi koi message gi mai kai dagi yamna sengna condemn tawjari.
On the other hand, Sukham Premjit of Kokome said that the demonstration was held in view of the prevailing critical situation in Manipur arising out of the Indo-Naga peace talks.
Mong amada apagi Naga issue asina maram markanda apagi solution ama Naga issue solution porapada adu umbagi masit makai taba yabadi mong da lak taraga di habedi singna badagi na adu umbas singna mayam do apagi wakat ama oina Delhi da laiba isina singa lena apagi kokomigi mihoi sing yauna amagi MSA di Delhi ki mayro singi look ama oiba siga kunna demonstration sinjabani.
Talking to media, convener of Campaign for Peace and Democracy, Dr. Malim Ningthauza, maintained that no one knows exactly what will be the final outcome of the Indo-Naga peace talks. He warned of fierce form of hesitation if the outcome hurts the interests of Manipur and its people. He wished for a long-lasting positive outcome of the talks.
Laiba moina lauriba period sina yamna negative hoiba mioi kodimaki sentiment ha to boy tar gadi thodo khadi srok to ni fundamentally ba or Manipur ma seminar iba group singi mahuta marakta ta dulai ta ba mulai nana bagi hona ba santi nana ba hona ba wari semak pagi mo mo kan koi kodimaki people laura kanda punna hinna bagi pandam.
A memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which was jointly signed by Kokami and Masad. The memorandum demands that the Naga peace deal should not be allowed to affect the existing socio-political and economic status as well as culture of Manipur, and the outcome should not harm the territorial integrity and the administrative setup of the state and others. The demonstration was also participated by representatives of DAMMS, UNI, KAS, Ningo Chakoba Committee member and NASDU. We have on the line our Delhi correspondent, Birju Rekha. Hello Birju, what is the latest update? What is the scenario in Delhi right now? Hello?
Yeah, hello. Peaceful demonstration. Hello?
What is the latest update? What is the scenario in Delhi right now?
Hello?
Hello Birju, what is the latest update?
Yeah, this is report from New Delhi, yeah. Yeah, today peaceful protest demonstration was held in Jantar Mantar, New Delhi at around 3 p.m. and was concluded at 6 p.m. So around 60 to 70 students and other Manipuris living in Delhi were also present in the demonstration. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. Yeah, they have the representatives of the Kokomi have also submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi at around 3:30 p.m. today.
Yes. Can you tell us what would be the likely outcome on the issue, Birju?
Yeah, there is mention about the fear consequences about this solution regarding the Naga peace talk, but both the parties have not stated, are not very sure about the possible consequences. So the main motive now is to remain alert in all possible ways and to alarm the central government about what will be the consequence from the general public in Manipur. If anything, the solutions bring any unrest to the people, to the state, to the integrity of Manipur.
Thank you, Birzu, for the latest update.
Okay, thank you so much.
Moving on now, Northeast India Development Party (NEIDP) today announced that the party has permanently removed Party's Central Working Committee President Narengbam Samarjit from his post and the primary membership. Speaking at a hurriedly called press meet, NEIDP Interim President Sapam Kunjakeswar expressed displeasure that the image of the party has been bloated by the egg of Narengbam Samarjit. Kunjakeswar further said that all activities of Samarjit have nothing to do with the party. NEIDP had earlier today held a CWC executive meeting where they thoroughly discussed the matter. As per the party constitution, the executive meeting took the decision to dismiss Narengbam Samarjit from the party. Now, Sapam Kunjakeswar will look after the party as an interim president. He further clarified that NEIDP and Salai Holdings have no any connection.
Ekoidi Barki Sangbidan Tazaba Amsung Masigi Constitution da Koi Chena Koi confidence 100% Koi Biswasli Bajabatar. Madamasan Magi Pongdok Liba Motase Ekoi Northeast India Development Party in Yava Songam de Madamasina Punamak Pieksingcha Akoi Tanajaraga Dolsida Prajana Pirak Liba Tajaba Dolsida Prajana Pira encouragement Punamaksi Hujikoi Pura like Hatanamang by Mogoni, Ziglaiba, means Maramasina Koi Kanabaya Kanar Matunda, Central Working Committee, Executive Member Punamak, Yukupo Kanar Matunda, Dolgi, Bylaw Party Constitution, Yauriba, Sakti Rusina Zaraga Kuizana and Body Meeting Fame, Masigi Matungina City and Samarjit Singh, past president of Northeast India Development Party, he is expelled forever from Northeast India Development Party. Hena, asigi media thongda prajagi section kurimukta yahon binaba koi opamasi ngasi sengduk chabane.
Final settlement of the Indo-Naga peace talks tomorrow. The Coordinating Committee on Manipuri Integrity, COCOMI, has appealed to the people of the states to cease all activities tomorrow from 4 a.m. till midnight and stage mass protest on the streets. The committee also cautioned that Manipur could witness something unimaginable and unprecedented if the settlement of the peace talks affects the state's interests. 6th Potsangam Jilla Parishad also celebrated Ningol Chakova Festival today at the community hall of Kongampat Awang Lekai. The event was organized by the member of 6th Potsangam Jilla Parishad, Laisram Bovi. Several married women of the region and local leaders were present at the celebration. The Jilla Parishad member presented the women participants with gifts at the event. At the occasion, Laisram Bovi said that it is a happy moment to have lunch together with the women folk once in a year on the occasion of Ningol Chakova Festival. He added, this also gives an opportunity to share ups and downs of life with one another.
Afaba Mongol Dupina Bidana, Agi Bung passing Kungangi, Loinana Agi Ise Chanung Sijaraba Ine, Don Tingi, Loina Unaba Pangi, Maram Aduna, Nasi Habanumisi. Dagi amuka lakadaba mathang sahi phawda aina kawba ngamba haibadu mayamna mangon pinabiyu aduga mayambusu nada yektaba nungaya phaba aduga chaukhatpa khunayama porakpada adugumlaba mangon aphabadu pibiba oisunu.
Well, it's time for a short commercial break, but coming off, alert meeting at Gokul under Borovekra Subdivision Jirivam held. More after the break.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back. Jiribam Borovekra Subdivision Development Organization VSDDO under the SGSHOF Coordinating Committee Jiribam on Manipur Integrity held an alert meeting at Gokhal under Borovekra Subdivision Jiribam today with regard to the ongoing peace talks between the Government of India and NSC and IM. Taking part in the meet, General Secretary of BSDDO P. Komlakanto Singh said that every community of Manipur welcomes the Naga peace process. However, it should not be allowed to disrupt the peace and territorial integrity of the state. If such case arises, people of Manipur will not sit idle but have to take up strong hesitations, he said.
Integrity amasung boundary kaiba taragadi masida khoina tongan ba dharna strike amadi Thamoi Haksang Thadok Papau, Akoina Thadokani Haina Hajiri.
President of Lamtai Kunau Maya Paibi Moyang Tim Rasesori Devi warned that the peace process should not harm the unity of the state, adding that the government of India should not act against the interests of any of the ethnic community in the state. Former Pradhan of Jakuradhar Gram Panchayat Poritos Das said that the government cannot harm the unity of the state where different communities live together. The participants held placards that read, "Resolve the peace talk without damaging Manipur, assure the possession of the 60 MLAs, stop favoring certain communities, etc." Amid the controversy surrounding the setting up of the exiled Manipur government in London, the self-styled Chief Minister of the Dai government of Manipur, Yambem Biren, has informed that he, along with the self-styled Minister of the External Affairs, have got political asylum in the United Kingdom since August last. Through a press release, he also maintained that the exiled government has been functioning in London since September 27 after getting the asylum status in UK. Massive sit-ins were held today in many parts of the hill districts of Manipur. According to our correspondent, the protests were carried out by Cookies with regard to the current developments surrounding the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks. Sit-ins were held at Sapur Maina, Motbung Bazar, Tengnopal, and Churachandpur. The protesters held placards conveying that Indo-Naga peace talks must not affect the Cookies. Cookies village are to not come under Naga Autonomous Council, etc. As a part of the Kokomi-led alert protests against the backdrop of Indo-Naga peace talks drawing to a closer, the Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization organized a public rally today. The rally was kicked off from the office premises of the organization located at Minutong, Imphal East. The rally marched through several parts of the Imphal East. However, they were blocked by police near the palace gate, resulting in a scuffle. Later, the cops allowed 3 protesters to submit a memorandum to the governor of Manipur.
Karigumba Manipur gi integrity solak pataraba June 18 da thokiba thodok to adagi hena thokloi haninga leite akoi lamdam sida pokpane lamdam sida chaubani aduna akoi Manipur gi damakta Hauji chansali bu khongchang asida thawaina pontha oirasu akoi karimta ki beleite.
Jamiatul Ulama Borayangbi organized an alert rally at Borayangbi area today with regard to the ongoing crucial Indo-Naga peace talks. The rally was jointly organized by local clubs and Mayarapaibis of Borayangbi. Taking part in the rally, convener of Jamiatul Ulama Mufti Mustaqin said that the people of Borayangbi will take part in any kind of hesitation in the state if the Naga peace deal imprints on the integrity of Manipur. The protesters also held placards and they also chanted slogans like "Save the integrity of Manipur." Around 1,000 people took part in the demonstration.
Hojik India government ga NSNIM ga peace wari sanarab se aseng achum mane tawbatabu masina maram oiraga Manipur gi ngamkhai kaiba amadi Manipur da leiriba chingmi tamida gi marakta nungsinadaba chayen aba khatna chainaba ge karigumba lakpa taragadi madubu yaning de haidunane amasong sigi sida kokomna changsalakliba khongjang khudingmakta borangbi Jametololma amadi mafam sida leiriba organization khudingmakna support togane aduga makhoi loinana aikhoi hairiba protesting asi makhada hana chathakigani.
Another short break, but next, India moves to divide Kashmir despite protests. More updates after the break.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumai Ningol Chakobana Lakpada, Tamabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Fawa Chada Kuntra discount Pizavi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizaba discount name. Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai fee, Rani fee, blouse, tops fee fanik na chingba Makal Suna Fangbiragani. Ngasi Maglengsen Biraksi, Damabati Emporium, Gari Makalaikai near Pakang Baford. Contact number 7085-186-485 Natraga 7005-946-596.
Hey Lola, nak phone yaw bra? Yaw eh. Lamjing mo kep kau ne, apang? Ay kau tu re.
Manipur gi ahan 24/7 service oiriba lamjing kep service namyam gi seva tawjari.
Manipur gi district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina lohongba amadi atay thogdok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakau bagi damak akhanaba hour package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gi damak lamjing kep service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Temple.
Welcome back. India will formally split up the disputed Jammu and Kashmir state into two federal territories on Thursday, aiming to tighten its control over the restive region that has been in the grip of a harsh security clampdown for nearly 3 months. Street protests against the measures have erupted sporadically, while fighters have killed about a dozen people from outside the state in recent weeks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Hindu nationalist government withdrew Kashmir's autonomy in August, but in addition, it also announced the division of the state into two territories to be directly ruled from New Delhi, one consisting of Jammu and Kashmir regions and the other the remote Buddhist enclave of Ladakh. United States House of Representatives yesterday overwhelmingly approved a bill aiming at slapping sanctions on Turkey over its military offensive in northern Syria, Sinwar, according to media reports. The vote was 403-16, with only 15 Republicans and 1 Democrat voting against the measure. The bill is the latest Congress effort to disapprove of U.S. President Donald Trump's decision to withdraw U.S. forces from northern Syria as Turkey launches an operation in the area targeting Syria's Kurdish forces. If enacted, the bill will forbid U.S. arms sale to Ankara for use in Syria, identify senior Turkish officials for their role in the military offensives against the Kurds, and sanction foreigners providing arms to Turkish forces in Syria. The bill also seeks to force the Trump administration to impose the previously mandated sanctions for Turkey's purchase of the Russian S-400 missile defense system. Now, the sports news. Rabinder secured India's first medal at the Under-23 World Wrestling Championship after advancing to the 61 category final. The 22-year-old being senior European champion Arsen Haryutyunan of Armenia to enter the final with a 4-3 win last night, a statement from Wrestling Federation of India said. Earlier, he had notes of a 12-1 win over Hungary Marshal Vudai Kovacs in his opening bout and then followed it up with an 11-0 demolition of Russian Denislam Takhtarov in the quarterfinals. The Sonipad grappler, who won gold at the South Asian Games in 2016 and also a bronze at the Cadet Asian Championships in 2014, will be aiming for the biggest achievement of his career when he takes on Kazakhstan Ulugbek Jolosvekov in the Summit Showdown that is scheduled to take place on tonight. Before we wrap up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. All-party delegation leaves for Delhi. Manipur separatists declare independence from India. And alert demonstrations continue as Indo-Naga peace deal likely tomorrow. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.